she just wanted to meet people, get people together. You know, it started off with a really simple Facebook post, who'd be interested to play, and then it's just gone wild since then. So we're sort of 2.5 years in, and now we have 6,000 registered players. We've got 26 leagues running, over 16 venues. We've trained over 100 umpires to date, which is amazing because then we can cover all different areas, venues across Wales.
Off the back of setting up the league, we set up a training session on a Monday over in Tylerstown. We've had some funding from Sport RCT, so we're really well equipped as well, which is brilliant. So everyone who's come has said how much they're enjoying the league and how much fun it is, how positive it is, how much it's doing for their well-being, their mental health. It's getting them out of the house, it's getting them moving.
So I signed up as an individual for Rounders, and I was very lucky to be put in a lovely team of ladies, all different ages. I think the youngest person on my team is 21, 22, and some of us are in mid-40s, so yeah, it's really good. We all look forward to our Thursday nights. It's really fun. All the leagues are really friendly, so that's really nice.